Hello and welcome to our video about anti-aging skincare. As we age, our skin undergoes a variety of changes that can affect its appearance, texture, and overall health. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks to help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Protect your skin from sun damage. The sun's harmful UV rays can cause a variety of skin problems, including wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and even skin cancer. To protect your skin, make sure to wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even on cloudy days. Moisturize regularly. As we age, our skin tends to become drier, which can contribute to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. To combat this, make sure to moisturize your skin regularly using a product that's appropriate for your skin type. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which can help to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking plump and hydrated. Use retinoids. Retinoids are a type of vitamin A derivative that can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. They work by increasing cell turnover and stimulating collagen production, which can help to improve skin texture and tone. If you're new to retinoids, start with a low concentration and gradually work your way up to avoid irritation. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help to keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. Foods that are high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin can become dry and dull, which can accentuate the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. To sum up, there are a variety of things you can do to help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant as you age. By protecting your skin from sun damage, moisturizing regularly, using retinoids, eating a healthy diet, and staying hydrated, you can help to keep your skin looking its best. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.